RiseAbsorb is redefining what growers expect from phosphate fertilizer. Backed by data and built for performance, RiseAbsorb helps reduce phosphorus losses, improve uptake, and boost ROI without increasing input costs. Join the next wave of growers switching to the next generation of phosphorus fertilizers by visiting phospholutions.com.
I'm Amber Bell, and this is Real Agriculture, here today at the Western Canadian Crop Production Show, getting the chance to speak with Carolyn Wilson of Syngenta. Welcome, Carolyn. It's great to see you.
Thanks so much, Amber.
Now, Syngenta just announced the latest fungicide. Let's talk about Elatus Era.
Yeah, so we're super excited to launch Elatus Era. It is a lentil fungicide aimed at controlling your anthracnose and as those group 11 resistant biotypes, anthracnose as well. So super excited about Elatus Era. It's going to replace our current Elatus offer in the market.
So talk a little bit about the built-in resistance management.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, we're going to be replacing Elatus with Elatus Era, and the difference really is the two active ingredients. So we're going to have solatinol in Elatus Era. That's our mainstay when it comes to really strong anthracnose control. That'll still be in our Elatus Era product. But the difference is, instead of azoxystrobin, we have prothioconazole. And now with prothioconazole, we also have some support with resistance management of those biotypes of anthracnose in this combination, as well as we're going to have a longer window of application and have white mold control.
Is this completely erasing Elatus, or is that still available?
The plan is to move into Elatus Era relatively quickly for our customers. Mentioned the resistance management piece. We know that there's resistance out there, and we want to make sure that we're not using products that are putting resistance further along in a customer's field. So we will be replacing Elatus in the next few years with Elatus Era.
And when will Elatus Era be available for producers?
It'll be available for this season in 2026.
Great. Where can growers go for more information?
Yeah, so you reach out to any of your territory sales rep in your geographies or any of your retails as well.
Thank you so much for your time, and that was Carolyn Wilson on Real Agriculture.
For the latest ag news, agronomic advice, and more, check out realagriculture.com and Real Ag Radio.